You're watching News Channel 5, the first station in South Florida broadcasting local news in high definition.
Mommy wants to get a new nose, but how do you tell the kids? A plastic surgeon has written what is probably the first children's book addressing the touchy topic of plastic surgery. Now, critics have scalpeled the work, saying it does a better job glorifying cosmetic procedures than helping patients prepare their youngsters. Helen Chickering gets thoughts and tips from some experts, including the doctor-turned-author.
The nose was out and the chin was in.
When Sophie Randler decided to have a nose and chin job, she was prepared for the post-recovery bruises and bandages. Her children were not.
I didn't really tell them about it. I just told them that, I was going to the doctor and I will come back a little different.
A common strategy and a mistake, notes cosmetic surgeon Dr. Michael Salzhauer, who remembers his own daughter's reaction after his nose job.
And she started to cry hysterical, said, "Daddy, what happened? What's wrong?" And I probably scarred her for life by not telling her in advance what to expect.
Cleveland Clinic child psychologist Vanessa Jensen says when preparing a youngster for what to expect, parents should consider age, noting, for example, a 3-year-old's big concerns may be rooted in fear.
What's going to happen? Are you going to come back? Are you still going to be you? And are you going to be scary?
Older children often have more questions, but almost every child will ask what experts call the stumper.
Why do you have to change?
University of North Carolina psychologist Cynthia Bulick specializes in body image and eating disorders. She advises parents to keep the focus away from appearance as much as possible.
This is just something about myself that I'm a little uncomfortable with, and I'm doing this to make myself more comfortable.
Bulick advises parents to avoid words like pretty or ugly, skip the gory details, and keep the conversation simple.
And remind them you'll still be the same old mom or dad, just with a tighter tummy or a new nose.
How do I look? Like a mommy.
Helen Chickering, NBC News.
Now, the conversation can be especially tricky if mom or dad chooses to fix a trait like a nose or protruding ears that runs in the family. The bottom line, experts say, is it's a parent's choice whether to come clean about plastic surgery. Taco Bell.